Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an incredible tool that could revolutionize the way you measure distances. We found the Leica DISTO D2 laser distance measure online, and we've added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's get into what makes the Leica DISTO D2 such an impressive device. This compact laser distance measure is designed for both professional and personal use, making it an essential tool for anyone who needs precise measurements. With dimensions of 4.57 by 1.73 by 1.02 inches, it's small enough to fit comfortably in your hand or pocket, making it highly portable. One of the standout features of the DISTO D2 is its impressive measuring range. It can measure distances up to 330 feet with an accuracy of 1/16 of an inch. This level of precision is crucial for professionals in fields like construction, architecture, and interior design, where every detail counts. The device operates with a Class 2 laser that has a 1 mW output, ensuring it's safe for both indoor and outdoor use. Another key feature is its Bluetooth 4.0 capability. This allows you to easily transfer your measurements into various software applications, streamlining the process of recording and manipulating data. Imagine taking measurements on site and instantly having them available on your computer or mobile device for further analysis or project planning. This feature is particularly beneficial for architects and contractors who need to keep track of multiple measurements and calculations. The DISTO D2 also includes a memory function that stores the last 10 measurements. This is a handy feature if you're measuring multiple areas and want to keep track of your results without scrambling to jot them down. Additionally, it has a Pythagorean function that enables indirect height or width measurements, which is a game changer for measuring spaces where direct access is difficult or impossible. The intelligent automatic endpiece is another thoughtful inclusion in the design. This feature allows the device to extend its measuring capabilities into hard-to-reach corners, ensuring that you can get accurate measurements even in tight spaces. This is particularly useful for interior designers and renovators working in compact areas. When it comes to durability, the Leica DISTO D2 doesn't disappoint. It has a protection class rating of IP54, meaning it's dust and splash resistant. This ensures the device can withstand a bit of rough handling on the job site, so you won't need to worry about it breaking down under less than ideal conditions. It also operates well in a wide temperature range, from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, making it practical for use in various environments. So, who is this product suitable for? The Leica DISTO D2 is ideal for contractors, architects, interior designers, and DIY enthusiasts alike. Whether you're calculating the square footage for a flooring project, measuring the height of a wall, or even determining the dimensions of a piece of furniture for your living space, this tool provides the accuracy and convenience you need. In practical use cases, imagine you're renovating a room and need to figure out how much paint to buy. With the DISTO D2, you can quickly measure the walls, account for windows and doors, and have all your calculations ready to go in no time. Or, if you're out on a construction site, you can rapidly gather measurements for materials, ensuring everything fits perfectly without multiple trips back and forth. In conclusion, the Leica DISTO D2 is a powerful, versatile tool that can make measuring distances easier and more accurate than ever before. If you're looking for a reliable laser distance measure that is packed with features, this is definitely one to consider. Thanks